a parking lot full of dented cars, a driver who swore she never touched them, and a deputy who already had it on video.
Hey, come here. Get back. Come back. Yeah. You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
I did not.
Here, take these from you.
And?
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back for the moment until we figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Okay, and? You're arresting me for what?
Well,
For what?
turn around. Okay, stop. Okay?
For what?
You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Okay, we got a bunch of calls on you. Huh?
I did not. You're not.
Man,
No. We gotta call my attorney.
I don't care about your attorney right now, okay?
Okay, so what do I do?
Stop.
No,
Okay,
you're gonna stop. You're gonna stop.
Man, don't make me do this bull. Okay?
Listen, we're not doing this bull.
I know. Stop. Okay, I don't care what we're doing. Okay? Now I'm gonna put you in the car.
No, you're not. I have a right to call my... No, I have a right to call my attorney. I have a right to call my attorney. I'm not.
Put your feet in or I'm gonna force you to put your feet in.
You call my attorney.
I'll call your attorney when you put your feet in.
I absolutely...
Put your feet in.
I did not do anything right.
Okay, then chill out and we'll figure it out in a minute.
Okay,
Put your feet in.
Thank you. That's really tight.
Well, because you kept trying to snatch away from me.
I did not. My handcuffs are really tight. They're bleeding.
They're not bleeding.
They're hurting me really bad.
Well, they're not comfortable.
They're really bad.
Well, you shouldn't have tried to snatch away from me.
I did not try to snatch away from you.
Well, I mean...
Please loosen them up.
Okay, I will shortly, okay? Or we'll figure it out. But if you're going to keep being uncooperative with me, I'm not going to do it.
Loosen them up.
I will if you stop being uncooperative with me shortly.
I'm not being uncooperative with you.
Ma'am, you're on Bodycam video, okay?
Absolutely, that's fine.
So,
4659.
All right, turn that way. You're not getting out. Turn that way. Put your foot back in.
Can you pull?
I'm looking. I'm trying to see how tight they are.
They're really tight.
Okay, turn that way. Straighten your arms for me.
I am straightening my arms.
Don't do that. Bring your arms back.
I am.
Bring your arms back.
Are tight. Okay.
All right, they're not too tight. I haven't had a chance to look at her car. But if she's hammered, I saw her driving. So.
Yeah, we got some brake damage right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, fantastic.
What did I do wrong?
I told you hit a bunch of cars in the Durban Pavilion parking lot. You got damage all over your car. We got a
damage on my car for previous accident.
Yeah, we got a bunch of witnesses, okay?
Who's the accident?
A bunch. A bunch. So we're gonna deal with it shortly.
That's fine. That's fine. I didn't hit a single car.
Well, a bunch of people said you did.
I did.
And we got it on video.
Where? Show me the video.
You'll see it.
Show me the video.
You'll see it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
That's fine.
That's fine.
We got
Please
some white prints.
Super tight.
I tried, but you weren't cooperating with me, okay?
They're hurting me.
I was trying, but you weren't cooperating.
Well, my name is Deputy Evans with the Sheriff's Office, and I smell a strong odor of alcohol coming from your breath. You've been drinking? Well, since you hit a car, you're involved in a hit and run. Okay,
I never hit a car. They never pulled over. No one did anything. That's what I'm saying. Like,
well, they saw you.
Okay, if they would have pulled me over, I would have said something the whole time.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm going to conduct a criminal investigation for DUI. Okay? And since you were seen driving a vehicle, I want to make sure that you're okay. Okay. So what we're going to do? So what we're going to do? Yeah. So what we're going to do? We're going to take them off, and then we're going to do some what's called field sobriety test. There's a nice white line over there.
That works.
Come on out, young lady.
I can't.
What's your first name?
You can step out.
Anastasia.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and step out. I'll take them off.
So bad.
Well, I'll take them off for you, okay?
No. Hold on.
You okay?
No. I'm naked.
Okay. Well, I don't need to. Well, how about we pull this up for you? We don't want you to be naked. Okay? Go ahead and turn around. We'll take them off for you.
Thank you.
All right. When I tell you to do so, what I want you to do is put your right hand on top of your head until I tell you to take it down. All right? All right. All right. I appreciate your cooperation.
Thank you, babes.
Babes? I haven't been called that in many years.
Because I'm
Babes.
a dancer. I'm a dancer.
You're a what?
Dancer.
A dancer? What kind of dance?
Adult.
Huh? Adult dancer. Okay. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay, I'm done.
We all have to make a living, right?
I sure do.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So what I need for you to do is I need for you to come over here with me, and we're going to make sure that you're okay. Do me a favor. See this line right here? What I need for you to do is put your feet together. Tell him I'm sensitive.
Who there? Somebody calling you?
Brent.
I got it.
So you don't want to do the best that I've asked you to do. Okay. At this point, you are going to be placed under arrest.
All right,
Yes,
man.
ma'am. I will be gentle. I'm always
Hey,
gentle.
stop. You're being
I'm always gentle.
Okay.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Thank you.
I'm always,
Okay,
always
sounds good.
gentle. Okay?
Yeah.
And I'll put these nice and
Yeah.
loose.
Multiple callers reported a hit and run in a shopping center parking lot moments before deputies found her still nearby. Leaving the scene of a crash is its own charge. In most states, walking away from damage you caused is enough on its own, no DUI required. Then came the smell of alcohol on her breath. That's probable cause to open a second investigation before a single test is run. 2 cases were now running side by side, one for the crash, one for what she'd had to drink before it. Field sobriety tests came next, along with some friendly small talk about her job as a professional dancer, charming and legally irrelevant. At this point, she was not yet under arrest. Roadside questions don't require a Miranda warning. Under Berkemer versus McCarty 1984, routine roadside questioning isn't custodial interrogation. The warning isn't owed yet. That changes the moment handcuffs go on.
On you so they won't hurt your wrist. Okay?
Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you.
We're here to help you.
I know you are. You're being nice. He was not being nice. You're being nice.
Who wasn't being nice? My boss? My boss is a super, super nice guy.
You're super nice. You're being super nice. Okay. Oh my God. Hold on. Stop. My shoe is flying up. My is up.
I don't need to know anything about your
Can someone like...
stuff.
We're working on it.
No. Can you like...
You're good now.
We moved you so the wind doesn't blow where things can be shown.
Thank you.
All right. At this time, you are being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Okay.
And I have to read a few things for you, but we can do that in the car.
Okay.
All right? Come on over here.
Whoa,
You
easy.
okay?
No, you tripped me. What the
Come on, you can't walk very well. That's the
No,
problem.
he tripped me.
He
What
didn't
the
trip
fuck?
you. Relax.
How many?
You were being so nice to me, and now you're yelling at me.
I am.
I don't need your stuff to be I'll fix your tie, okay? There you go. All right. Go ahead and have a seat. I gotta read you a few things, okay? I want you to pay attention, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. Do you understand each of these rights that I have explained to you?
Yes, I do.
Now, with these rights of mine, you want to talk to me about what's going on today?
I wonder why you calling me to the side.
Okay. Well, we'll start with the hit and run. Okay. Over in the Petco parking lot, you hit a car. Okay. So you were seen by a person hitting their car.
Okay.
Okay. You have damage consistent with the damage.
Actually, I have damage from my previous accident 2 months ago that I didn't fix. From Mercedes.
Okay.
I can testify to the Mercedes-Benz accident
Okay.
because I was hit 2 months ago. That is not true. I can testify.
The deputy read her rights right after the arrest. Under Miranda versus Arizona 1966, that's exactly the moment it's required. She said she understood. Then back at the car, she blamed the damage on an accident from 2 months earlier. An explanation isn't evidence. It's a claim the state gets to test against the paperwork and witnesses already on record.
I can show you the records.
Okay.
I can show you if you let me put my phone.
I'm not doing the crash investigation.
not.
Deputy Klauser
I did
is
not
doing the
hit
crash
nobody.
investigation. And what'll happen is you'll get the
Okay.
paperwork for that.
Yeah, that's
okay?
fine.
But I'm doing the criminal investigation,
That's fine.
and that's for DUI. Okay.
Okay.
You were seen driving a motor vehicle.
Okay.
I smell a strong odor of an alcoholic
Smell
beverage
alcohol. Okay.
emitting from your breath. Okay.
Okay. And that's what you assume.
Now I can smell it.
You can smell it. So your smell
You
is
told
for
me.
alcohol. I did not tell you.
You told me that you had some drinks at the time.
No, that's not what I told you.
Go ahead and slide your feet that way.
Okay. So, what?
Slide your feet that way.
I said we can't take it.
Yes.
Okay.
Slide your feet that way.
Okay.
All right, bingo.
I don't want you to close the door. I want you to slide.
Close the door. We'll talk about it.
No. Because if you
Put your feet in.
Put your feet
Feet
in.
in.
You are going to jail. You're under arrest.
I'm not.
Okay. Put your feet in.
I'm not
If
resisting arrest.
If you resist,
said-
you're going to catch another
you
charge.
Said,
So I'm going to give you one more opportunity.
sir, you
One
said.
more.
You
Put your
said-
feet in the car.
What you said was, if I am.
Sit up. Stop being ridiculous. Stop. Okay? Relax. I'm going to
No.
sit you back up and we're going to shut the door. Okay? Relax.
Yeah, just sit up, please. We're going to have
Can you pull her over, Josh?
to put it.
All right, I'm going to shut this door and then we're going to have to kick her feet up. Good night.
I'm not resisting.
He's all right.
What are you talking about? What are you?
And we're going to have to pull her out and tarp her, it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm not resisting. What are you?
What's up, bud? Hey, I want to give you a couple updates on your mom. Okay, we've got her. She's going to be going to jail tonight.
Why?
Okay, she hit a bunch of cars in the parking lot, and she's real drunk. So, yeah. Is there anybody else that can come hang out with you, or are you good by yourself?
I'm good by myself.
Okay. Sorry.
Refusing to sit in the patrol car, pulling her feet back out, twisting from the door, every attempt adds a new charge. Most states treat resisting an officer without violence as its own misdemeanor stacked on top of everything else. The deputy warned her directly, one more attempt and it's a new charge. She used it anyway. By the end, she was charged with 3 separate counts: DUI, leaving the scene of a crash, and resisting arrest. The deputies get a B+. They gave her every chance to comply, stayed calm through repeated resistance, and never let the struggle become the story. She gets a D. The story changed mid-interview, and every attempt to avoid the car added a charge instead of removing one. The lesson here is simple. Cooperation limits charges. Resistance multiplies them. If you want more Bodycam cases broken down like this, subscribe. We post every week. What do you think the sentence should be? Tell us below.